Creating a bingo order voucher is easy and convenient on MyDORWAY. To get started, log into your MyDORWAY account. From the account screen, click the Create a Bingo Order Voucher link. This is the Bingo Voucher Request page. A bingo distributor must enter the file number of the bingo organization they wish to create the bingo voucher for. Enter the file number and then click Next. On the Order Details page, enter the appropriate information in each column of the invoice table. Note that if an invalid serial number is entered, an error will appear. A valid serial number must be entered before the voucher order can be submitted. To scan the invoice information instead of manually entering it, click Scanner Mode. The Scanner Mode module window appears. Make sure that your cursor is in the serial row and begin scanning your serials to automatically enter them into the invoice. Click OK once you've finished. Finish entering the appropriate information and then click Next. Make sure all information is entered correctly and click Submit to complete the bingo order voucher. Enter your password to serve as your electronic signature and click OK to confirm the order. On the confirmation screen, click the Print Confirmation button to save a hard copy of your confirmation for your records. Click OK to close this screen. Once submitted, the bingo order voucher must be approved by the associated organization. You can view past order information by clicking View Past Orders from the account screen. On the Past Bingo Order Voucher screen, you can view the order date of past vouchers, the distributor and recipient organization, as well as the number of serials issued and the voucher status. When an organization approves an order voucher, the status changes from pending to approved. To change an existing order voucher, click Change. To view an existing order voucher, click View. For more information about MyDORWAY, including tutorials and how to sign up, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. Thanks for watching.